Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we are looking at the euro and the US dollar not with bearish but with extreme bearish highs. What does it mean? Does it mean that that gap that you see on the upside here is going to stay open? Probably will stay open for quite some time now, as this seems to be a contracting triangle, and actually the whole move that you're seeing here seems to be a leg of a contracting triangle. Now this triangle, from my point of view, started by the moment that this move here ended, and I'm talking about this move here on the left side. So this to be another A, B, C, D, E, or just an A, B, C, but I would say it is a triangle of a lower degree, and it implies that this lines here and this area here is extremely important for future price action. So I'm talking about the range between 137.20, 137.73, and make no mistake, price will go there. Now, if price is going to go there, we need to understand what is the principle behind this move and what is actually meaning. So either here or let's say at this level, but it doesn't matter. What is the meaning? Well, if you go here and look at the fact that price acted here or was rejected from another contracting triangle that acted as a reversal pattern. What does it mean, reversal pattern? It means that price coming from the upside, from the downside, making the triangular formation and then breaking lower. That is the reversal pattern. So this is the first thing to notice. And the second thing to interpret is the fact that from this moment on the right side, so you're looking from this moment on the right side, we are looking at a potential contracting triangle of a bigger degree, and it should go like this. This to be the first wave, or wave A, the B wave to the downside, the C wave to the downside. There's this C wave here, as you can see, it is channeling too well. Corrections of a lower degree are almost the same. I would say it is a classical A, B, C, X, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, just like that. And now we're looking for a D wave to the downside, but this D wave to the downside is not completed, as this is no retracement for a D wave. So it needs to go somewhere like this, and this will be the D wave somewhere like this, then the E wave, and it is mandatory for price or for the E wave to end above this low. So anywhere here the E wave may end, I would say around 1.38. That would be the outcome, or that would be the analysis for this currency pair. And the triangle, let me make this one bigger. Like this. And the triangle here should go from this moment of time to here, like this, and from the lows here to here, when the D wave will end. Either the D wave will end around these levels or will end here, but definitely in this area here. Now, if we are looking for a triangle to come into this area and price is here, what to do? Well, the logical thing to do and the only thing to do is to go and buy put options. And in choosing the expiration date, I will choose end of week expiration date. It is not like we are waiting for 1 week for the option to expire, or to see if the option expires in the money or out of the money. But we are waiting for only, or for merely 1 day and a bit, because this is, as you can see, the 24th in the evening. So the expiration date will actually be 25th by the time the US markets are going to close. Now, in terms of value at waves, this should be labeled with an X wave, of a bigger degree, like this. This move to the upside should be labeled as wave A of the same degree, same color, same dimension, same everything. Then the B wave to the downside then the C wave here, and of course the D wave to come here. So end of week expiration date, I would say that an area between 37.20 or 37.50 will be the right target. So looking for price or for this D wave to come into this area here, and from that moment on a small bounce to come into the 138 again, which would be the ideal place to go and buy put options again. It is still something to consider. There is enough time until that moment will come, and for this week and for tomorrow especially, expecting lower values on the euro US dollar based on this contracting triangle that seems to run into its final stages. Let's see if the market will confirm our assessment here, and if the option will expire in or out of the money. Keep in mind, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all this analysis and recommendations are possible here due to our sponsor Lionite. Thank you and bye bye.